Alone among the planets in the solar system, Earth is the matrix for life. A living being with its own evolutionary will and creative energy, which flows around the globe in meridians, falling into powerful geometrical alignment on the mystical island of Bali. The Balinese live close to nature, worshipping resident spirits in volcanoes, rocks, trees, lakes, and mysterious river gorges. This ancient Balinese life balance, traditionally celebrated in elaborate ceremonies and reflected in the island's delicately sculpted rice terraces, is increasingly under threat from the effects of mass tourism, climate change, and insufficient infrastructure. With over 10 million visitors a year, Bali can barely cope. Wells are running dry, and pollution is affecting the delicate island balance. Despite tourism revenues, massive inequalities exist across the island, with families so poor they cannot afford sanitation, healthcare, and education. But there is a solution. On the slopes of Bali's second tallest volcano, an extraordinary project is taking shape. The Flower of Life is a unique eco-sculpture, a sustainable and meaningful legacy that unites people from all over the world under the banner of ecological and social responsibility, while creating a steady income stream for a range of organizations that work towards a better future for Bali. Set in a 13-hectare tropical park bordering a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Flower of Life is constructed according to the Fibonacci principle, a mathematical sequence found everywhere in nature, from shells to sunflowers to distant galaxies. The symbol has been known through all times as a motif representing the interdependence and oneness of life. The sculpture is constructed from thousands of solar energy hexagons, each one individually funded by members of our global community, displaying the details of the person or organization that donated it. Together, these hexagons form the world's biggest crowd-funded energy field on Earth, creating a welcome space designed for education, reflection, meditation, and cultural events. The hexagons will be covered with energy-generating interlayers, enabling the monument to generate its own electricity needs and feed back any surplus into Bali's energy grid. The Flower of Life is a model of ecological sustainable 21st century development and a unique collaborative artwork of the global community. The revenues will allow further support and funding for a number of environmental and humanitarian projects in Bali and the rest of Indonesia. Most visitors to Bali are unaware of the extremely high infant mortality rates which motivated 2011 CNN Hero of the Year, Robin Lim, to create Yayasan Bumi Sehat, with centers providing free natural midwifery, pre- and postnatal care, health and education services in Bali and Aceh. The Munti Gunung Poverty Eradication Program is helping remote villages by bringing clean water, sanitation, and employment opportunities to hundreds of families, empowering them to live a better life. Our Tree of Life coconut palms will be planted in the Garden of Life and its surroundings, thereby supporting small-scale village farmers to provide a sustainable income for their families with the support of the Coconut Knowledge Center. Bye Bye Plastic Bags is an initiative by two young students, Melati and Isabel.
We are sisters,
whose mission is to rid Bali of plastic bags before 2018 by creating a local awareness campaign that has already turned into a successful international movement. Under the waters of Bali, the Karang Lestari Foundation has created the biggest reef restoration project in the world. The bio-rock technology is bringing reefs back to life with an ingenious system of electrical currents. Soulmen is a charity dedicated to helping the disadvantaged in Bali. Robert Epstone has already raised $1 million by walking barefoot, highlighting his solidarity with those who are too poor to wear shoes. The Flower of Life is supporting these amazing projects in their much-needed work for Bali and its people. With a one-time donation, you can help to create this unique legacy and become part of the biggest energy matrix on Earth. Please donate now.